I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to Streamlabs. First, log into your Streamlabs account and head to your dashboard. On the left-hand side, you will see a navigation menu. Click on Revenue and then select Donation Settings. This is where we will start configuring your payment options to receive support from your viewers. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes to complete. Once you are in the donation settings, you will see various payment options. Locate the PayPal section and click the Connect or Link Account button. A secure pop-up window will appear, prompting you to log into your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal credentials to authorize the connection. This step securely links your PayPal account to Streamlabs, allowing you to receive donations directly. After linking your PayPal, it's time to configure your donation settings. You can choose your preferred currency, such as US dollars or euros. It's also wise to set a minimum donation amount, perhaps $1, to manage smaller transactions. Additionally, customize the message viewers see and how donation alerts appear on your stream. These settings ensure a smooth and personalized donation experience for your audience. Finally, make sure to save all the changes you have made in your donation settings. Streamlabs will provide you with a unique donation link. Copy this link and share it with your viewers. It is highly recommended to perform a small test donation yourself, perhaps $1, to ensure everything is working correctly before going live. This confirms your setup is perfect for receiving support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.